Welcome. Here we're going to be looking at using the BISCIT Product Portal for getting information about the release notes. So on the left hand side I can expand out EKW and I'll see that I have 5 topics: downloads, release notes, user guides, installation guide, language guide. Here we're interested in the release notes. I'm going to right mouse click and open this in a private window. This, along with the downloads, does require that you put your license key in with it. So I've saved mine, and when we log in we'll then have access to the various release notes for each of the versions. So if you're looking for a specific feature, or you actually have details of what the issue tag, for example, EMWW 5291. If you know that number, you could do a Control-F and do a search on it, alternative to see what version it's in. Alternatively, you could scroll down and look at, so in our environment, let's just change tabs. Our main production version is 4.24, so if we go back to and scroll down to 4.24, so we can see everything that's in 4.24, but we're interested in what's new, and this will show us enhancements, new functionality. So we can see there's quite a number of details in enhancements, but there's also quite a number of issues of things that have been reported or that we've identified as part of our quality processes, and have remediated and resolved that in this version. So 4.25, 4.26, and you'll see here, focus on cycle counts, on both adding additional functionality and resolving issues. And as we work our way through, so you're able to use the release notes from Epicor Kinetic Warehouse the same as you would on the Kinetic application, to actually check what's the new functionality, what are the issues that I'm having, what's been resolved, and then pick a target version to identify, yes, it's here's a version we're going to test with, and then enact that on the device to actually execute the testing and then move on to a production. So again, release notes. Release notes do require that you enter in the license key. It can be as simple as copying it. It's also up here in the header. The downloads also require that as well. So Kinetic Warehouse, release notes, plenty of information that's available in there where you can go through and check the version that you're on. You can see here, in this case 4.24, I can then go to my release notes, check for any new functionality.